Pause na pause. We're going on a ano tawag dito? May tour kami. Sa Tagaytay. Sa Cubao. Nakakatulong niya. Cubao Expo. Ano? About siya sa ano. Kala ko katulong ka namin, sabi mo. About siya sa sa fear of the future. Future? Fear of the possibilities. Ang mangyayari sa future. So, ano pwede nating matuloy?
Ayaw niya sa apel.
Kalasan, 100.
Trimester pa.
Ilan, 300,000.
Sarap na sa Eduardo.
Holy shit, I got a kid. No, she won't be gone forever.
Your mama said that you should be home 7 in the evening with a sober. Don't you worry, brother, I am on my way. I'm pretty on my way. Let's keep on trucking tonight. Ow! Children of the future, let me tell you something. Boogie is my life that I never showed you. Why are you forsaken all that should be known? I wanna show it tonight. They don't need no disco, no disco. Where have you been, my disco, my disco? Take me back.
Pares kayo ba?